Hey people, so I just have to say that when I set up my channel, it was my intent to feature, to do these book reviews and feature books that more people should know about and should read. So there is this book called Living Hell by Vivaan Shah, who is the son of Nasiruddin and Ratna Patak Shah, and so just from a gene pool point of view, this child is this author is gifted, because I mean, even his writing. Now this book Living Hell is basically that's what it deals at some level, like it's a crime mystery, because it's all about this murder that's been discovered. And you know the main protagonist of the story is such that you laugh with him, and he's portrayed such that the audience could probably laugh at him also, because it's as real could possibly be. I mean, because normally a hero of a book or a story or a novel or a movie is very aspirational, but here the hero figure, so called hero figure, is almost a bit of a loser, but there is something very endearing about that character. So full marks to Vivaan Shah, because this is a book that once you start reading, it's the humor that comes as such a pleasant surprise. Yeah, I mean, I think the only other author I've seen who can really make one smile while reading is Chetan Bhagat. So truly, people, Vivaan Shah's Living Hell is a book that, if you want to have a slice of heaven, you should read Living Hell. Simply since it's a very funny, endearing book to read. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.